All right, so here we're just going to go ahead and do a little channel update, just some things I've been working on behind the scenes. So of course, I have 3 different channels. This is certainly the largest of the channels, and then I have been working on spending quite a bit of time developing my own private support channel. So if somebody does not want to jump on Patreon, if you do like Patreon, check out patreon.com/TomM, T-O-M-M. That's not going anywhere at all. But I did want to work on a external support system so that people that didn't really want to go on and support Patreon or didn't want to use Patreon or were restricted from using Patreon, I've been working on my own system, and we're going to announce today the beta of that system. And that system is called ThinkLifeMedia. And it took me a while to come up with what title I'd want to have, and I had all sorts of people like Switch to Cooking or all this other things. It's like, no, we can't produce something which incorporates the name of any of my channels, because this system is about all my channels. So I developed this branding called ThinkLifeMedia because that's really what all 3 of my channels really have in common. I want you to think about life, I want you to live life, and I operate on the basis of media. So this functions as a various support channel. First things first, you can bookmark this page and come here and see right away, have I released a new video, and you can watch it on any of my channels. This is all automatic. So as soon as a new video is posted, it will automatically appear here. I don't have to do anything. It's all self-automated. So if you are curious, have I pushed out a new channel or a new video on any of my 3 channels, come right here. You will see it right on the home page. Any public updates, I will have the ability here to post up to 2 different public updates here. And I do have a posting schedule, which is already a little out of date. I do need to change my posting schedule around because, like I said, I'm doing live streams Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Saturday is just kind of a live hangout, which is usually around noon or so, no specific time. And I'm going to be pulling Outdoor Philosophy off of SwitchedtoLinux. I'm actually going to be moving it onto the Christian channel. So these actually are color-coded as well. I'm going to try to do a weekly or bi-weekly home cooking hacks video. We're still working on some infrastructure. Now, we are ad supporting this site for now, so I am putting just 2 Google ads on here. Only one of them is loaded right now. Of course, I am a web developer. If you need a website, take a look at my website over here at Western Mountain Web. You can get a hold of me over here. I can help you with domains. I can help you with hosting. I can help you with anything else. So that's kind of behind it. All right, so there are, and I will run well, I think I have no more than 2 ads on any page. There might be 3 on a couple. Now, you can click on each channel page up here. These are all public links, and you can visit the channel. If you're not already subbed to the channel, you can subscribe to it, and you can visit the channel's website over here. Each of my channels does have a website. Any of the latest articles will appear right down here. So if you keep an eye on these, you can see, of course, I don't publish much on SwitchedtoLinux at this time. I do have a banner over here. I am working on developing and collecting affiliate links. So if there is a service that you are looking about or thinking or wanting to buy, not only do the affiliate links help me, but oftentimes using an affiliate link myself or anyone else's for that matter will give you a discount on the service the first couple times. So don't forget to come by, check out the affiliate links to make sure. Of course, there's the Amazon, which is for anything else. You can click on this See More Affiliates. This will list all my affiliates. I've picked 4 web hosting companies. These are all companies I've either used or trust based on recommendations from other people that I completely trust in the field. You will not find things like HostGator or Bluehost or any of the EIG companies on here. Even though those are some of the best paying out affiliate programs, they're also the worst hosting companies. I will not be putting any affiliate links for any service I cannot recommend. So I've selected 2 VPNs for now. I might add more. The shopping one is here, and there will be other affiliate links. So essentially, if you are looking to help support this channel and you're thinking about any types of service, go ahead and click on the affiliate tab over here and think about using any of these. So those will actually help support the channel. So here's the Christian channel. Of course, the latest videos here. You can visit the channel, subscribe, go to the website. I also have the most popular places to get the podcasts listed over here. So this is the direct feed for anything in general. This channel here will get updated more. As soon as I also finish the podcast, I do plan on re-updating the website. Of course, home cooking hacks. You can come over here, grab the latest recipes over here. Once again. Now, if you are looking to help financially support the site, you can actually support the site a few different ways. Obviously, the paid support is what this site's about. Other supports, check a look at the affiliates page. Also, the merchant shops. As I add more merchant shops, I will probably be adding one for each of the channel brands eventually. You can click over here and find any of those. But what you can do is you can click on the support levels, which is the same link up here, and you can actually purchase access. $1 a month, or you can get a year access for $11.50, $5 or $58 for a year access for silver, gold levels, and platinum levels. Okay, so you can actually get these right now. As of now, these are only supporting PayPal. I looked at the doing Stripe. It's just too much overhead time for me to get Stripe working on this at the same time. So for now, it's going to be PayPal. But there is another option. I have set up a LibrePay account, which hopefully doesn't end up burning me in the long run. I have set up a LibrePay account. I've not used LibrePay personally, so I'm not sure all of the details. So basically, if you are already a patron supporter or you want to support on Patreon, you can use Patreon, send me a message through Patreon, and you will get access to this site. Okay. The LibrePay, if you send a corresponding of that level or above on LibrePay, shoot me the message and I will go ahead and set you up the account. The minimum amount of information I need to set up an account is in email, and I've kept it that way. Usually, like, maybe a preferred username as well. So give me a preferred username and an email, and I will get that. So I'm trying to have as many possible ways, realizing we want to have anonymity for some people. So the LibrePay option is good. Some people want to support multiple creators, so the Patreon option is good. Some people are just like, I want to do it directly. This is good. And I don't know, if I get requests, I might just say, here, send a money order this address if you want, and we'll process it as soon as we get it in. That's another option I am open to. Just anything it takes for that. What you will find, so those are all of the ways there. So what does support get you? The first thing it gets you is all of the ads get stripped away. Once you are logged in to this site with a support account, the ads are stripped away. With the exception of this ad on the affiliate site, I can't get that to going away without compromising the security of the site, so I'm thinking about just taking this off completely because I want to have it to be an ad-free experience for anybody that is an actual financial supporter. So you will not be seeing ads, and I think I will eventually put Google Analytics just to see what the reach is, but again, if you are logged in as a paid supporter, you will disappear from Google Analytics as well. As of right now, I don't have any VAT clearances, so technically I will only be pushing and operating this in United States. I don't know if paying support by LibrePay for access would get around that or not. I honestly have no idea. That is down the road to think about and to look at for this channel and for other things. So you will get an ad-free experience, and then you also get access to all the things at the top. So if you come up to the top actually and click any of these guys, you'll be able to see what things are up here. So these are actually the supporters vlogs. So I'm not sure why this ended up in supporters vlog. That shouldn't be in supporters. That should be somewhere else. I'll just need to fix that. But if you click into one of these guys, you'll see that you need to log in. And if you're not logged in, you can hit the join button. So all these up here, there's supporters vlogs, there's live streams, which is going to be changed to like behind the scenes videos, because another part of the channel update I'll get to in a minute, if as long as I don't forget. Coupon codes. This is coupon codes for the shops, any of the merchandise shops. So any of the paid supporters, patron supporters, then you'll get the access to the coupon code. So if you're thinking of getting something, check out the coupon codes page, because you might get 15% off if you wait a week, or you might get free shipping tomorrow, whatever else. There's monthly polls, so we're going to be asked, what types of things we want to see next, what type of videos. There's video requests. The $1 will get you all those items there. The videos, it gets you coupon codes and polls and video requests. $5 gets digital downloads and advanced tutorials. So these are any of the books that I write, or any other digital stuff that I'm producing that is like time intensive. So like my host file is just going to stay free on the Switch to Linux site. But my ebooks, for example, as I write ebooks, as I do other things, $5 and above per month you can get onto the digital downloads. And then advanced tutorials, these are going to be more detailed videos that are for the $5 and up. Now the 10 and the 25, those branches will get, those will actually get all of those items, plus they will get merchandise from the store for free from whichever channel you want it from. And so you can check out, I think it's on the support levels page where I have all that. So if you're at the gold level, which is $10 a month, 9 consecutive months will get you a free t-shirt or similarly priced item from the shop. Or 4 consecutive months at the platinum level will get you a free item from the shop. So that is the main support site. So that is where you can actually help support things some more. So check a look at ThinkLifeMedia.com. If you are already a Patreon supporter, or if you just want to send a donation directly from PayPal as well, which you can grab on any of my channels, you can just directly send that with a note in there or with an email to it. Just verify who it is, and I will go ahead and get you those accounts. So you can take a look, though, at ThinkLife Media, the main homepage. This also can be a place where if there's, if YouTube goes absolutely crazy and shuts down a channel, this will be the place to hear all about it or read all about it. So there will also be some private posts. Right now, I just have the 2 public ones. This is still in beta, so we're just experimenting with this. I want some feedback. I want to see how it works. Are there any bugs? Anything we should change? I do also want to add a supporters forum down the road. When I get like 50 supporters, or maybe, 25 supporters or something, enough that taking the time to build a forum makes it worth it, then I'll go ahead and start working on that. But for me, that's what we're going to do. Let's see. Techlore, greetings, Techlore. How much for a 10-minute petting session for the kitty? Well, you got to come down to the State College area, and I will come and bring a kitty for you to pet for a little bit, right? Those are free. Pets are free, right? And he would deeply appreciate it if you give him a kitty treat. All right, so that is that. Okay, other things I'm going to be doing is I'm going to change the format of the Friday, maybe slowly, but I'm going to stop recording the videos and then cutting them into 3 parts. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to record it live as I've been doing, and then what we're going to do is we're actually going to put we're going to put timestamps in for the different settings. That way I don't have to, it basically gets rid of an extra 2 hours of work for me. And it'll be a lot easier to just track down to the beginnings of those so people can still catch those. And in place of the live streams, the financial supporters, I'm going to try and do some extra types of behind the scenes or other types of videos there. Maybe just more things, maybe just more casual videos. Maybe when we have enough direct supporters, we can change that also to do supporter-only live streams, things like that. For the most part, though, I'm going to keep everything as public. I'm not going to try to paywall a lot. Advanced tutorials, those are the things. They may get paywalled. They may not. It's going to depend on what it is. So, like, one of the things I'm working on right now is I'm working on a course for how to produce a book. And so that's going to be under advanced tutorials, but I'm also going to sell as a course in places I can do that. So those are some of the things I'm going to be doing a little bit differently. So those are kind of some channel updates. Hopefully that will work. And let me know your thoughts on the website. Let me know of any errors, any issues, and we will adjust those correspondingly. I hope you've enjoyed this video from Switched to Linux. If you'd like to help support the channel, check out the links at the top. There is another video over here. You can check out our Patreon page down here. And you can check out shop.switchedtolinux.com for information on a t-shirt like this or some other designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy switching to Linux.